Welcome to the YouTube channel Math Skill. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter Quadratic Equations. Numerical is find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. It is a part of 10th standard NCERT as well as CBSE syllabus. Now let's note down the problem. So in order to solve this, we have to frame a quadratic equation wherein satisfying the given condition. Now let's understand few concepts about number line. So on number line, if number 5 is considered, then the proceeding number for number 5 is 6. That is, it is 5 plus 1. Also, the preceding number is 4. That is 5 minus 1. Similarly, if one of the number on the number line is assumed as x, then preceding number for x would be x minus 1. Proceeding number would be x plus 1. That is, x minus 1 and x would be one pair of consecutive positive integers, or x and x plus 1 would be one such similar pair. Now let us assume the two consecutive positive integers to be x and x plus 1. So here he says the sum of whose squares is 365. That is, the given condition is x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 365. Now this looks like a plus b whole square, wherein which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So wherever there is a, there is x, and wherever there is b, there is 1. Now let us apply the formula to simplify the LHS. Therefore the terms of LHS would be x square as it is, x plus 1 whole square would be a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. That is, upon simplification of LHS, x square plus x square would be 2x square plus 1 square is 1. 2 into x into 1 is 2x is equal to 365. Now in order to simplify, take this 365 towards the LHS. Upon transpose, plus 365 would become minus 365. Now let us write the terms on one side of LH, on one side, that is 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 equals 0. This minus 65 is obtained by doing a transpose of plus 365. Therefore, upon simplification, 2x square plus 2x, these two terms would remain as it is, plus 1 minus 365 would become minus 364. Now we see that all the terms are even. Therefore, let us take 2 common. If you take 2 common, then the equation would be x square plus x minus 182 equals 0 multiplied by 2 on LHS. Divide by 2 on both LHS and RHS. Therefore, upon division by 2, 2 and 2 would get cancelled. Here 0 by 2 would be 0. So this is the final equation what we have got. Now this looks like ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. That is, the first term contains x square term, second term contains x, and third term contains a constant. Therefore, this is in the standard form. Once the equation is in the standard form, we can start the factorization. So in order to start factorization, multiply first and the last term. That is, plus x square multiplied by minus 82. Plus into minus is minus. 182 into x square is 182 x square. That is minus 182 x square. Also, similarly, upon addition or subtraction of the selected factors, we have to get plus x. This is the second condition. There are two conditions to be satisfied. That is, we have to obtain minus 82 minus 182 upon multiplication, and upon addition or subtraction we have to get plus x. Now let us do prime factorization of 182. So after doing prime factorization, the prime factors which have been obtained are 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 13. Now we have to rearrange these prime factors in such a way that the factors are selected for this particular quadratic equation which satisfies both the condition. Since we want plus x here upon addition or subtraction, so let's take the factors as 14 and 13. So 14 I've got by multiplying 2 and 7 and 13 as it is. So if I take plus 14 minus 13, then answer would be 1, or 14x with plus and 13x with minus would give us plus x. So similarly, in order to get minus 182 x square, multiply plus 14x and minus 13x. Plus into minus is minus. 14 13s are 182. X into x is x square. Now we see that both the conditions are satisfied. Once both the conditions are satisfied, replace the middle term, that is plus x, with both the factors selected. Now how to do that? X square as it is, minus 182 as it is, but replace plus x by the factors what have been selected here. So upon selection of the factors and substitution here, now let us take common factor between first and second term and third and fourth term. So out of x square and plus 14x, x is taken as a common. So within brackets I am left with x plus 14 Also, out of minus 13x minus 182, if minus 13 is taken common, x plus 14 is left here. Now we see that x plus 14 and x plus 14 are common between these two terms. If you take x plus 14 common, then from first term x is left. Also from second term minus 13 is left. So we see that x plus 14 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, either x plus 14 equals 0 or x minus 13 equals 0. That is, x is equal to minus 14 or x is equal to plus 13. How did we get this minus 14? Upon transpose of plus 14 towards RHS, we are getting minus 14, or minus 13 upon transpose, we are getting plus 13. Now, since we wanted consecutive positive integers, that is the integer to be positive, therefore x is equal to minus 14 cannot be considered as it is negative. Therefore, this cannot be considered, and x is equal to 13 is the answer which is required, that is which is one of the number. The next consecutive number would be x plus 1, that is 13 plus 1 is 14. Therefore, the required numbers are 13 and 14, which are the required consecutive positive integers. Thank you.